When 100% appears in the testing completion box, the validation test will be complete and interpretation of the test results can begin. The initial view shown when the validation test is complete is the heat view map. On the upper left of the display, the dialog box icon can be pressed to remove the dialog box information above each client unit. Just below the dialog box icon is the stacked floor icon. Pressing the stacked floor icon will shift the heat map view from a vertical single floor view to an isometric multi-floor view. Isometric view can be very helpful when clients are placed on multiple floors. On the upper right of the heat map view is a toggle button for switching between 2.4 GHz test results and 5 GHz test results. On the heat map view of the floor plan, there will be a combination of heat map colors that fill the entire floor plan and a numerical value displayed within each client unit. The heat map colors represent the signal strength for each client location. Green would be good signal strength, yellow would be marginal to weak signal strength, orange and red would be very weak to no signal strength. On the upper right of the display is a drop-down menu called the multi-dimensional mode control. Pressing any of the Wi-Fi related data streams listed in the drop-down menu will bring up a new heat map associated to the data stream. It will take approximately 3 seconds for the new heat map to appear. The numerical value on the clients is the individual quality of experience number. The quality of experience number, or QoE, is calculated by averaging the signal quality, congestion, and interference associated with that client. The QoE values can be anywhere from 1.0 to 5.0, with 1.0 to 1.9 considered bad, 2.0 to 2.9 poor, 3.0 to 3.9 fair, 4.0 to 4.9 good, and 5.0, the top reading, is considered excellent. An overall quality of experience value is also calculated and is shown in the quality of experience box on the right-hand side of the display. Both heat map colors and QoE values will be different between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz settings. Pressing on any of the client unit icons will reveal individual information specific to that client. In the middle of the screen, a circular bar graph will be displayed showing the heat map colors associated with the client and line marks for each of the Wi-Fi related data streams. Just above the circular bar is the local ratings. The local ratings show individual QoE values for the client's signal quality, congestion, and interference. At the very top will be the name of the client, the location name associated to the client, the QoE value of the client, and an Access Points button. Pressing the Access Points button will display both graphical and data list details about other access points detected by the client unit. There will be different information listed for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz settings. At the bottom of the display, pressing Edit ASC 300 will allow editing of the name and location of the client. Pressing Locate ASC 300 in the center activates the client's device status LED and it will begin to blink purple. Pressing Forget ASC 300 allows for unpairing of the client from the master unit. Additional information listed on the right-hand side of the heat map display is the channels used by the master unit for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, the percentage of testing completion for the validation test, a button for reviewing the optimization selections, and the View Report button. The View Report button shows a list of the master unit and clients with the related QoE values. The Service Level Agreement row will display information when the customer's access point is used with the AirScout kit. Incoming bandwidth and the highest supported bandwidth will be shown. At the top, overall QoE is listed on the left. Pressing the View Heat Map button will return the display to the heat map view. Pressing Rerun Test will start the test over, and Add Comments will allow a technician to add text comments to the report. Pressing the Save and Close job saves the report. The job is now saved.